How y'all doing? I hope y'all are having an awesome Thursday today. I just wanted to take a little walk around my new used Tekno ET48.3. Here's August preloading the suspension a little bit, getting it ready to check that ride height. She really likes it. I think she likes those big tires. Here it is right after I put that Tekno 2000 kV Truggy motor in it. And here we are just making sure our shocks are equal length. Always make sure your shocks are the same length after you rebuild them. Just a little random, but just something I wanted to share. And then always make sure you're replacing that O-ring on that little set screw on your shock cap. So that's TKR 8726, I believe. So definitely get some of those and replace the O-rings in the shock caps and the O-rings up top. Gives you a real nice smooth motion. So let's take a look at the Truggy itself here on board. So yeah, here it is. That's that 2000 kV Tekno Gen 3 Truggy motor, RX8 speed control. And just, yeah, pretty well dialed. I've been going through it completely, rebuilt all the diffs, rebuilt the suspension. Got the soldering joints really nice. Always make sure you leave extra wiring there so that way if the chassis flexes, you're not stressing any of your electronics. I think a lot of the failures on speed controls and stuff like that are due to faulty soldering and people just not knowing what they're doing. Or not paying attention, not making sure your solder joints are real hot, meaning everything bonds together real well. But yeah, this thing's just awesome. I love it. It is so much fun. It was absolutely sweet on the track.